Summer can be harsh on our skin with all the heat, sweat, and sun exposure. So keeping it cool, clean, and protected naturally is key. Hey everyone, today, I'm going to share a simple, effective, and all-natural DIY skincare routine for summer that works for all skin types, whether your skin is oily, dry, sensitive, or a bit of everything. Let's walk through the steps together. Cleanse your face with your favorite face wash. Use it both the day and before going to bed. Just make sure to stick with the same one for the best results. But we are cleansing our face with natural DIY remedies today. DIY cleanser. Mix 2 tablespoons of raw honey with 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Massage it gently onto your damp skin for about a minute, then rinse with lukewarm water. Honey is antibacterial and soothing. Aloe vera cools and hydrates the skin. This works beautifully for all skin types, even for acne-prone or sensitive skin. Toner. Refresh and balance. Toning helps tighten pores and refresh your skin after cleansing. DIY toner for all skin types. I'm going to share one of my favorite DIY toner this summer. Here's what you have to do. Mix rose water with a little cucumber juice. Store it in a spray bottle and keep it in the fridge for a cooling mist anytime. Moisturize. Keep your skin hydrated. Hydration is key, even in summer. I'm going to share 2 different tips to moisture your skin. The first one is for oily skin, and the second one is for dry or sensitive skin. For oily skin, use aloe vera gel, mixed with a few drops of tea tree oil. Apply it on your face. And massage in a circular motion. For dry or sensitive skin, mix 1 tablespoon coconut oil with 1 teaspoon raw honey in a small bowl. Add 1 teaspoon olive oil or almond oil for extra hydration. Stir until smooth and creamy. Apply a thin layer to clean skin. Apply it after your serum to lock in moisture without feeling heavy. Exfoliate 2 times a week. Gently remove dead skin and unclog pores. DIY scrub. Mix 1 tablespoon of oats, 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Massage gently in circular motions, then rinse. This keeps your skin smooth and glowing, without stripping natural oils. Use face mask once, or twice a week, to treat your skin to a cooling and hydrating mask. DIY cooling face mask. Add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, with 2 tablespoons of blended cucumber. And 1 teaspoon of honey. In a small bowl, mix it well. Apply for 15 minutes, then rinse off. This calms irritated skin, and restores moisture, after long sun exposure. Final tips. Drink lots of water, to stay hydrated from the inside. Carry facial mist, to freshen up during the day. Avoid heavy makeup in the heat, let your skin breathe. And that's it, for our summer skincare chat. Just a quick reminder, drink your water, wear your sunscreen, and don't stress about having perfect skin. A little care goes a long way. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a like, drop a comment, and share it with someone who needs a summer glow up. And hey, wait, hit that subscribe button, so you don't miss out on more easy skincare tips. Thanks for hanging out, and stay glowing. Just remind yourself that you are amazing. You are precious, and you can achieve whatever you want. See you soon in the next video. Till then, ta-ta.